stretching up to the sky to wake up our tight muscles in our waist and maybe our legs. And then bringing the hands forward, bending the knees and dropping down. Release the spine. Climbing back up and then opening the arms to the side. I love that move. Nice, good. Come up forward. Drop to the floor. So your feet are apart. And then opening your chest to the sky. And you find the pace, the rhythm. Drop down, climb up, and release open. Keep going, come forward, drop down, climb up, and release open. So a little baby back bend, nothing too strenuous. Warming the spine one way, squeezing the bum, and opening the chest the other. We'll do 2 more. Let the breath go. It's a fabulous way of really deeply warming the spine, opening the chest, and really bringing breath and movement together. Lovely. So take a moment to assess your posture, how you're feeling, plant your feet on the floor, and when you're ready, lift the hands, press your palms together, and send your fingers between your shoulder blades, and then climb up. And just practice that 3 or 4 times. Bend the elbows, good, and climb up. So what you're looking to do is keep your chest lifted. What you want to do is drop your eye gaze, but keep the eyes on your horizon. And then add in a stretch. Pause, bend the knee slightly and lean over one side. Climb up, lean over the other side, climb up. Go back to the bent elbow, fingers between your shoulder blades, climb up, lean, and center, lean, and center, and bend the elbows. Is it getting easier? Not really. And then tip, and climb. And I'll add a little more intensity. So start as we always have, then bend the elbows, lift the arms, and this time as you lean, take it into a circle. So drop to the knees, bring the hands back up, pause at the top, now lean the other way, and then drop. So by leaning first, we get into the waist, pause at the top, bend the elbows, good, climb up, lean, feel stretch, then drop to the knees or to the floor. Climb up, lean over. Have I done that right? No, I'm supposed to go the other way, aren't I? Quick rewind, over to the other side. No one noticed. Drop to the floor. Elbows tuck in. So we'll do one more, and this time I'll concentrate. Lean over. Good, drop. Climb up, other way, in case you've forgotten. And drop. And one last time, because the more you do, the more you release. Lean over. Flow. Pause. Lean over. Flow. Good. So we'll release the arms, release the shoulders, and take your legs wide. Bend your knees so the knees are over your toes. And I'm going to start with your hands very gently across your chest. Tuck the tailbone under, lift your chest high, and look to one side of your room, centre, and look to the other side, and centre, and repeat. So it's a tiny move. I've got your feet fixed into the floor, your knees bent, and so most of the movement is in your waist. Work on that again, 2 more, both sides. Turn, breathe out as you turn, and centre. 1 more. I know the legs are working hard. I love that, thank you. And then here is your option. Release the legs, take the arms to the side, and pull the shoulders back. So you're not taking it into the tops of your shoulders, you're taking it behind. bend the knees and do the same thing. Tiny move one side, centre, tiny move the other. So just think about Joseph Pilates in his studio in the 1950s with broomsticks across our back, perfecting the chest opening. So turning side to side and feeling that opening of the chest, that strengthening of the back. Good. I'm going to adapt the move. Bring this hand over to this knee, and this hand, palm pushes away. So climb up, bent knees, and rotate to the other side. Same thing, hand to knee, back hand to the back of the room. Climb up, bent knees, and rotate the other way. So there's a rhythm. It's all one-sided, but don't worry, I'm a professional. I never forget. I'm with you all the time. Over, climb, and rotate. And I'm going to add in a little bit more. So as you climb up, before you rotate, step the foot in and then turn. So take the leg wide, hand to knee or to the floor. Climb up. Before you rotate, step the foot in and turn. Step wide, rotate. Oh, go deep. And I'm starting to do this with straight legs. Oh, that's a little bit tougher. And rotate. So here's my third and final challenge. Take the legs wide, maybe with straight legs. Bring the foot in and lift the knee. She tries to do it in one smooth movement. 4 more. So go down, climb up. Good, good, good control. And rotate. And centre. I did not fall over. Over, climb up and turn. So give me 2 more of those. Step wide. If this top hand is getting tired, put it on the lower back. Climb up, lift the knee, take your time, and then turn. And one last one. Over you go. Climb up, bring the knee in, and turn. So take the legs wide, go back to the beginning, bend the knees, and turn side to side. Good. So turning your chest and tucking your tailbone under. Lovely. So you've got a rhythm, a pace, and a breath that works for you. Take the arms wide, drop the tops of the shoulders, engage the back of the shoulders, and rotate. Good. Would you encourage the legs to straighten? How does that feel? A little bit tighter? So know that it's safer to bend the knees. Know that you're working harder if you straighten them. So bring this hand over to the knee, back hand faces the room, and see where you can go. Climb up and turn. Face the front, hand to knee, back hand turns away, face the front, and rotate. So by straightening your legs, you're encouraging the waist, the legs, to go deeper in the stretch. So we'll come lower, maybe hands to floor. Open the arms and step the foot in and turn. Go wide, adapt the move to suit you. Step in and turn. Good, couple more like that. Go deep, find the stretch, lift your chest and turn. Go deep. And then we start adding that final level, the knee lift and then turn. Good, heady mix. You've got stretching, opening, balancing, and then rotation. 3 to finish. Go wide, go deep. Climb high, lift the knee. Yes, look how that's coming together for you. 2 more. The body has done the calculations. What? The nervous system is ready, the neural pathway is fired, and our balance over time, with practice, gets better. So pause, release, roll the shoulders, bring the hands across the chest and bring your feet hip distance and take a parallel squat and stand tall. Yes, brilliant. So in a parallel squat, the bottom pushes back, now stand tall. Good, so I know that some of us have got those sore shoulders. You can stay with this. You don't have to make the hands any more difficult. I'm always interested in strengthening your upper back, shoulder stability, as well as your pelvic stability. So taking your hands behind your head will encourage the work across your upper back. So parallel squat and climb high. Good. Adding on. Climb high, extend one leg. Good. Parallel squat. Climb high, other leg. Terrific. Parallel squat. Climb high, leg lift. Really good. So we're encouraging those elbows at all times to poke out to the side. They want to travel forward, but we're strengthening our upper back by poking them out. Are you keen for your level 3? I know you are. Hold the leg here, bring the leg forward and turn your upper body, and then turn your body forward and take the leg out. Good. Land, parallel squat, other leg, bring it forward, turn the upper body, take the leg wide, parallel squat. What are your options? Well, your options are to bring your hands across your chest. Your other option is to move upper and lower body together. Side, forward and turn, leg to the side. That's brilliant, and sit back. 3 more. Stand tall. Thank you. Turn the upper body. Stand tall. Parallel squat. Leg to the side. Stand tall. Open-hearted. Parallel squat. You've got 2 more with me. Stand tall. Leg sweeps forward. Leg to the side. Brilliant. Down we go. Other side. Stand tall. Good. To the side. We're going to add 1 more. It looks too good not to. Stand tall. Yes. Turn. Are you confident with this? You look confident. And drop down. And the other side. Great. Sweep the leg forward. Sweep the leg back. Finish with your parallel squats. We can never get enough of those. Stand tall, lift the arms. Great. Hands behind your head. Squat. Stand tall, lift your arms. Can you feel the back muscles doing the work? The shoulder blades, the trapezius, the latissimus dorsi. You feel the back muscles working? Great. 1 last one. And then sweet relief. Roll the shoulders, release the neck, turn side on. So you've got your mat in front of you, and forward fold to iron out the creases in your back, the tight spots. Put your hands on the top of your knees, bend and straighten your legs. It's very easy, and culturally we're asked to do this, to ignore the tight spots. But imagine how empowered and releasing it will be if we pay attention and let them heal and release. Drop the front arm, the one that's nearest me, and bend your knees. Lead with your elbow and then open your palm to me. So the hand is over the shoulder. Put your hands on your knees, bend and straighten the legs. Look to the back of the room, bend the elbow, and lift the arm. So we do it with a bent elbow, bend and straighten, so that it aligns the elbow with the shoulder, and then it aligns the hand with the elbow and the shoulder, and then come into parallel. Drop, other side. Good, and I'm going to make it a little more intense, hands on the floor. Drop the head, keep bending and straightening the legs, then turn your eye gaze to the front, bend the elbow, open the arm. I love that. I like the shoulder work, but I really like the leg and the hip work. Turn and open the arm. And one more time, because I like it. Sorry. It's that positive feeling of pain. I mean, release. Sorry, wrong word. Bend and straighten the legs. Turn to face the back of the room. Yes, I'm in my happy space. So hang out. I'm going to come further back so that I can walk forward, hands under shoulders, and impress you all with that long, strong body. Hands press into the floor. Diagonal line, ear, shoulder, hip. Drop the knees. Find your recovery. Hold out here.